How to get an API key from Google AI Studio. First, you want to visit Google AI Studio. For that, open up your web browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Once you get here, you will find the Get API Key option at the bottom left corner. Click on that. Now, click on Create. Enter any name for your key, for example, test. Now click the projects drop down and select the project you want to use. You can also create a new project if needed. Then click Create Key. Google AI Studio will now generate a new API key. Now, click key on the left sidebar to view details. Click the copy icon next to the key to copy it. Paste it to your app, script, or environment. You can click the three dots next to any key to rename or delete your key. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.